If you've been watching this series, congratulations, you've done the work. You've learned about financing, you've heard about market conditions right here in Oklahoma, and we've even talked about that 401k conversation that has a lot of buyers thinking differently about how they're funding their future home. So now the real question is, what do you actually want to do with all of that? If you're thinking about buying a home in Oklahoma in 2026, I'm bringing it all home today. This is your 2026 Oklahoma Buyer's Playbook. And these are the moves you need to make right now. Welcome back, or if this is your first time here, I'm Adelia Sosanya, your Oklahoma real estate guide, and this is your final episode of our Buying Your Oklahoma Home in 2026 series. So let's get right into it. The first move that you need to make is get crystal clear on financing and have a backup plan. Now, earlier in this series, we talked about financing types from conventional, FHA, VA, USDA, and here's what I want you to walk away with. The buyers who close are the ones who don't just know the loan they want, they know what loan they qualify for, and they have a conversation with their lender about alternatives before they ever write an offer. In Oklahoma's market right now, sellers want confidence. A pre-approval letter is the bare minimum. What sets you apart is knowing your numbers cold, your down payment, your debt to income ratio, your max comfortable payment amount, not just your max approval amount. There is a difference and it matters. Move number 2 you want to make. Revisit the 401k conversation intentionally. We cover this because it's trending for a reason. More buyers are looking at their retirement accounts as a resource, and in some cases, it absolutely makes sense. But here's the playbook move. Don't make that decision alone. Before you touch a 401k, sit down with both your lender and a financial advisor, understand the tax implications, the penalties if they apply, and whether a first-time home buyer exception applies to your situation. The goal is to buy a home and protect your financial future, not trade one for the other. Use this tool wisely and it can be a bridge. Use it without a plan and it becomes a setback. Move number 3 to make in this market. You want to know your Oklahoma market by zip code, not just headline. The state data we covered paints a picture, but your buying decision lives at the neighborhood level. Oklahoma City, Yukon, Edmond, Moore, Norman, these markets each have their own pace, their own inventory story, and their own price trends right now. What does that mean for you? Don't let headlines make your decision. Work with someone who knows the difference between what's happening on the east side of OKC versus what's moving in Edmond. The data matters, but local expertise translates that data into your actual offer strategy. Move number 4 that you want to make. Stop waiting for perfect conditions. Start creating your perfect position. I hear it all the time. I'm waiting for rates to drop. I'm waiting for prices to come down. Here's the truth. Nobody has a crystal ball, and the buyers who win in any market are the ones who are positioned to move when the right home shows up. That means your credit is clean, your savings are ready, your pre-approval is current, and your wish list is realistic. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be prepared. The difference between watching homes sell and being the one signing at the closing table. And move 5 that you want to make in this market. And my favorite one. Build your team before you need them. Your real estate agent, your lender, your inspector, these are not people you want to be Googling at 9 p.m. when you just found your dream home. Build that team now. Have those conversations now. Know who you're calling before the moment requires it. A strong buyer's agent is not just someone who opens doors. They're your negotiator, your market analyst, your advocate, right? Your calm voice when the process gets stressful. And trust me, every transaction has a moment. You want the right people in your corner before that moment arrives. Well, we have come to the end of our series, and here's what this series was really about. It wasn't just about mortgages and market data. It was about giving you the clarity and the confidence to make one of the biggest financial decisions of your life on purpose, not by accident. Home ownership in Oklahoma is still one of the most powerful ways to build long-term wealth, create stability for your family, and plant roots in a community that is genuinely growing. You now have the knowledge. The next move is yours. And if you're ready to take the next step, and you want someone in your corner who knows the market, knows the process, and will always keep it real with you, I would love to be your agent. You can reach me directly through the link in my bio, or you can visit my website, adeliasosanya.com. And if this series added value to your journey, share it with someone who needs it, because someone in your circle is thinking about buying right now and doesn't know where to start. Thank you for riding with me through this entire series. It has been my pleasure. And until next time, and there is a next time, so be sure to stay tuned to Showing the Best in Oklahoma. I'm Adelia Sosanya. Let's get you home.